Today we will learn how to make Ankara round bag. These are the materials we'll be using: Ankara fabric, marco, lining. We'll use this round plate for our measurements, pepper fiber, and our gum. Trace out the shape of this plate on this pepper fiber using your pen. So after drawing it out, then measure it. It is 11 inches. This is 11 inches here. Then you mark out 1 inch here. And also mark out 1 inch here also. On those points you marked, draw a line this way, and also here again this way. Okay, now using your scissors, cut out this circle. Then cut out this side from this 1 inch mark line. Then using this circular object also, trace it out here this way. So after tracing it out like this, remember we started from that 1 inch mark line. So after tracing it out like this, we'll have to cut it out. Okay, this is what we'll have. So this is what we'll have. We will now use this now to trace other shapes we need. So we'll trace this out on the mark also. So after tracing it, you just have to cut it out. Have now 2 of this and 2 of this. Okay, this is our marker. We've already measured it. We use this to measure it, and this is 18 inches length, 3 inches width. Okay, we'll wrap our pepper fiber with our lining. All of this, we'll wrap them with our lining. Okay, we will now wrap all this with our lining. So that's what I will do. I will apply my gum. I will apply my gum here and place it here. I will be applying the gum now. So we will now place this on this lining this way. Now we'll have to apply our gum on the edges like this so that we can cover it. Okay, so we'll finish gumming this one, covering this one. Look at that, how it will look like. So the next thing is to apply gum here and here and still cover it with this lining. So we've applied our gum and allowed it to dry. So now we'll place it on the lining this way. Now we'll make an opening here. Then we will notch it. After notching it, we'll apply gum like this and gum it this way. We'll apply gum on the edges. That's exactly what we do. So we notch after notching, we'll gum like this. So this is what we will have. We'll be gumming this one with our Ankara material, all the three of them. I will apply all of them gum and cover it with our Ankara material. So after applying your gum, you allow it to dry, then wrap your Ankara material on it. So we'll place our marco on the Ankara fabric. So we'll gum this on this. So what we will do is this: we'll use our scissors, notch here. After notching it, we'll apply gum like this and gum it this way. We also apply gum this way, notch all this area and gum it like this. So this is what we have after folding it. This is what we have. So the next thing to do is to apply gum on this and attach our Ankara fabric on it. So after applying your gum, you wait for it to dry a little. Now flip it like this, and gum. So we are going to fold in this side. Fold this side. Then we'll try to trim off this side a little. So after gumming this edge like this, then you bring your paper fiber, apply gum on this and gum it together this way. Okay, then place it this way and gum it together. So after gumming it on top of this is what we'll have. So the next thing is to place this thing this way and place this like this, gum this way. That's the essence of this allowance we left. We use this allowance to gum it together here. We'll apply our gum here and gum this way on it. So I have applied my gum here. I will now gum with this way. So we also apply our gum like this and fold this one this way also. Okay, gum by this. So this is what we have after gumming the first side. So you will gum the second part of it now. This is what we have after gumming the two paper fiber together. So this is what we'll have. So the next thing we will do, we'll apply gum here and gum this on it the same way with the other part of it also. So apply your gum on this and this, then on this and the back on the other side of it. So we allow it to dry a little before we can gum them together. So we will have to gum this one on top of this. So this is what we have after placing that the cover on it. So this is what we have formed. This is our Ankara round bag. I'll hold it this way. So tell me what you feel about this bag in the comment section. Thanks for watching.